Okay, morning everyone. Welcome to this session number. Oh my gosh, my camera. One moment, please. Uh-uh. Okay, okay. Morning everyone. Welcome to this session number 442. And today I will select one contest. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, this will publish here and is this. Okay, and okay, got it. Now, okay, I will start with this. Special array one. An array is considered special if every pair of its adjacent elements contains two number different parity. You are given an array integer nums, return true if nums is an special array, otherwise return false. Okay, for example here, what is this? Let me check. True, the only element, 2, 1, 4 is true. Why? There is only two pairs, 2 and 1, and 1 and 4, and both contains number with different. What is the meaning of parity? I know the meaning in Spanish, but parity number. Express if a given integer is even or odd. The parity of the number depends only or remains after divide by 2. An integer even if it's divisible by 2. Okay, but in this case, array consists especially every pair of the adjacent element contains two numbers with different okay, with different if, for example, here I need one even and one odd. Even is 2, 4, and yeah. For example, here 2 and 1 is an even and odd number, and 1 and 4 it's odd number and even number. 1 and 1, 1 and 1. In this case, for example, is 1 and 1. Okay, 1. No, this is false because both are odd. Okay, well, this is easily, it's only represent the the array. In this case, 4. Integer I it's equal 0. No, it's equal 1. Meanwhile, I it's minor that num dot length I plus plus, and here is asked if the previous number nums come on, nums in the position I less 1, in this case the 0, module of 2, it's different. Mm, here is every page will be contains the first number in the boolean is no, first it's equal and is this, it's equal 0 and second, and here is first should be different, second uh, if are different, increase. Okay, in the case that both are true, I return false. What? Ah, I return false. Why? 2 and 1. Ah, is for this 2 and 1. Ah, that is for this. Okay, I return true. Why? 4 and 3. This is odd and this is even and this is odd. Now it's 3 and 1. This is false and false, false and false. It's true. No, in this case, I think that I should be replaced by equal. Uh-huh. Okay, this is very easy. Simple solution using module. Okay. Now the second is this. An array is considered special if every pair of adjacent elements contains two numbers with different parity. Uh-huh. You're given an array integer nums and 2D integer matrix query where for querying index I is I to I. The task is to check the subarray nums from is special or not. Return an array boolean answer such that answer in the index I is true if nums. Okay, in this case, for example, I only have one query that starts in 0 and 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All of them. And it's 3, 4, 4, and 1. In this case, it's false because this both are. Always I forget. Uh-huh. Sorry, I confuse all the time um, this word. It false. In this case, the query is 0, 2, 0, 1, 2, and 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, between this, in this case, this is false, and this is true. Uh-huh. Okay, now the constraints are at least I have one element, and this is the maximum. The nums, all the numbers are positive, starting in 1, and the maximum is this. The query is at least contain one query, and the max is this. The length of the query is always with two values, start and end. And the values of the query, or the numbers are positive, starting in 0 and ending in till the it's not possible out the range, basically. Okay, and wow. Okay, my first idea is perform the operation that previously I do, but I think that this problem is the is is the class or the kind of problems where the time limit exceed appear. Let me check the comments. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. I think that this is the kind of problems. Well, I think that we need one way to figure out if the current query contains one no happy, or what is the name, special. Yeah, for example, what is my okay, yes. uh, okay, now my idea with this is that, for example, if I have 1, 3, oh, 2, even this is wrong, 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 7, I don't know, 11, 17, for example, this, and I have the queries like 0 to 3, 4 to 7. I'm not sure how many elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Until 7, this is the max. Endless 1, it's equal 7. Now here between 5 and 7, another between 3 and 5, yeah, and within the result. For example, try to perform the operation, but validate that this result don't contain another here in essential here this list contains the no magic, or what is the word, special, no special substrings. For example, in this case contains the 0 and 3. Okay, this is our current range. Okay, now we have this is contained with one element of here. No, it's not contained because basically it's empty. Okay, now is performing this operation between 0, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And this is even, odd, even, odd. Everything is okay, okay. Is discard, and the first option, well, this it's equal true. Yeah, true. Okay, got it. We don't have any value here because it's the no special range. Okay, now the next that is this. The first is validate, contains this is inside this. No, okay, now it's validate here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Between 4 and 7. Between this and this. Okay. This is even, odd. Odd. Okay, here appear this exception. I know that between um, my idea contemplate that all these super rate between 4 and 7 put as a no special. Okay, let me try. Oh, okay, let's put here. Now this is false. Oh, come on. Okay, and false. Okay, now the next the next is this. Now it's between 5 and 7. Okay, and now ask this number, sorry, this number appear here if inside the range of this. In this case, I am saying that this or this can be an special because contain this, but it's not true because this is odd and this is odd. Mm, the answer is true, but 4 and 7. Okay, let me change this. Come back here and replace this by 14. Yeah, in this case, I need come back. Okay, come back here. Now, let me replicate this between 4 and 7. 4 and 4 and 7. This and this, even, odd. Odd, even. Even, odd. Mm, no. mm, I am trying to avoid that if previously, for example, with this, uh-huh, okay, here, if I perform this operation 0 to 3, the first is sorted by the range. Yeah, for example, 0, 3. I think that this should be moved here. This here. Something like this. Oh, no. Here. This is the first step. Sort by the first and the second parameter. 0 and 3, 3 and 5, 4 and 7, 5 and 7. Okay. Now is perform every query. Yeah. I was in the 4400 on that contest when I did the virtual. Hey Solaris, how it's going? Yeah, I am trying to only do this as contest. I'm not sure how many weeks have this contest, but yeah, the more recently is this. I don't remember where this. I only resolved two. Yeah, only two. Because this, oh my gosh, I spent many time trying to solve this, but at the final I can do it. It's really really hard. But well, I'll be back to this. I think that the problems that appear in the contest usually are more complicated. I feel as a hard, and especially this, the third problem is very very hard to me until now. Okay. I'll be back now here. Um, mm, mm, mm. The first I think that is solve this, apply this sort. Okay, now the next that is perform this operation, for example, between 0 and 3, and do, for example, even odd. In this case, everything is okay. I can say that the first is a valid or special query. Now, 3 and 5, 3 and 5, odd, even, odd, okay, everything, it's okay. Okay, got it. Now the next that is 4 and 7, okay, 4 and 7, yeah, in this case is even, odd, even, odd. Okay, I will change this by 11, or 1, only 1, yeah, and again, 4 and 7 is between this, between this and this. Now is even, odd, odd. Okay, here appear one problem. I can put, okay, between the 5 and 6 appear this error, but I need continue. One in this is another no special. I can put here 6 and 7. Okay, and in this case this is no special. Now the next that is 5 to 7. I need to search if this range 5 and 7 contains is inside this. For example, 5 to 7, I'm sure that is not special because appear this. But Okay, in this way I can avoid perform this operation, but mm, for example, if I have more elements in this list, um, 6 to 7, if I don't perform 7, mm, 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 what is the best option? Perform the operation, the operation that have the maximum range and sort in this way. For example, uh, in this case, if I sort by the difference, in this case, the difference between 0 and 3 is plus 1 is 4. Between this and this is 2 plus 1 is 3. Between the 4 and 7 is 2 plus 1 is 4. And between 5 and 7 is 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. If I sort by this, I think that I got this. And if I perform this, for example, and in this appear only the no special range, and for example 0, 3, even, odd, even, odd, everything is okay, don't appear anything here, and I can respond this is a success. Okay, now let's continue with the next. The next is 4. No. Mm, mm, no. I'm sure that I need to sort, but okay. If I sort by the finish and the start is this, and this. And I perform this. This is true, and don't appear anything here. Now the next start is this. 3 and 5, 3 and 5, odd, even, odd. Everything is okay. Here don't appear nothing, and move to the next. 4 and 7, 4 and 7 here. Between this to this. Even, odd, odd. Okay, here appear one Now 1 and 17 is another. Oh my gosh, this is wrong. This is 5 and 6. 5 and 6, and now is 6 and 7. Uh-huh. And this is wrong. But I know that I have this. Now the next that is between 5 and 7. Uh, Now between 5 and 7, 5 and 7, the first is between 5 and 7. I need to search if the 5 appear here, or if these are between this range. In this case, for example, this appear, I know that is not right. I don't need continue because I know that. mm, mm, I feel the idea in my mind, but I can complete it. Mm, if I perform the operation and I have the register of the pairs that aren't special, and I have a next query, I don't need perform all the operation and only perform the operation since the last register that is inside this. Okay, for example, the first 0 and 3, it's okay. The 3 and 5, it's okay because it's empty. I can perform 3 and 5. Okay, everything is okay. Got it. Now, 4 and 7, between this and this, um, even, odd, odd, odd. Okay, here appear one pair, 5. Okay, 5 and 6. It's wrong. Uh-huh. I, I can continue. Uh, no, even I think that it's not necessary continue because if appear here, 5 and 6, I can say, okay, it's not right, but I know that here appear one error. Uh-huh. Now the next that is 5 to 7. Here to this, and I need to check if this this if in the range like this exists one no special subarray. In this case is this 5 to 6. Okay, in this case this is inside this range, means that this is false, but I need to still checking since this is the last, for example, in 7. Why? Because for the next iterations, for example, for this, discover if the previous contains this. Uh, uh, mhm. In this case, 6 2, 7. Odd and odd, okay. 6 and 7, yeah. And now the last is 6 and 7. Um, Sorry. Between 6 and 7. And in this case, this will be disappear because don't make sense have this register because this is greater. And only validate this. For example, in this case is a certain range. I'm sure that it's not necessary perform the operation. Mm. Okay. First step, sort by the start and end. Uh-huh. Next two is have hash, hash set. Yeah, because it's not possible to repeat the range. Uh-huh, hash set or no, a queue. One queue where I need to add the elements if okay, let me do again these operations, but now I will change by another values here. Oh, okay. 0 to 1, 3 to 4, 2 to 7, 5 to 6, 4 to 6, 7 to 7, 2 to 5. Okay. Now, if I sort by the start and finish, is this is move, this is this is move here. This should be a bit here. This in the middle of this. Something like this. Oh no, and this is wrong because this is 5. Is inside this, and now this is here. Okay, this is the order. Okay, I sort the elements. Now the next that is have this queue. This is the old and the news. The first 0 and 1. The first is validate for the olds. Don't appear anything because it's empty. Okay, I can perform this operation starting in the 0 until the 1. Okay, even odd, everything is okay. Got it. Now 2 and 5. 2 and 5. I need to check the oldest. In this case, don't appear anything. Okay, I can perform this operation. Even odd. Even odd. Everything is okay. I can continue. Okay. Now 2 to 7. 2 to 7. Okay. Mm, no, I am wrong here. I need to sort by the finish. Yeah, in this case. This is the last. Mm, this is the last. 6664. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Now, uh, 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 0 to 1. Okay, everything is okay. Got it. 2 to 5. No, this is wrong. It's sorted by the finish. Uh-huh. And the first, in this case, finish 1, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. Uh-huh. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 6. For example, in this case, both are equal, but the first is the 4. Okay. Now, the next 3 and 4, currently we're here. 3 and 4, odd, even, everything is okay. I can continue, and if this is still empty. 2 to 5. 2 to 5. I need to check this. Doesn't exist anything, is empty. Okay, I can perform all the operation. 2 and 3 is even, odd, even, odd. Everything is okay. Now between 4 and 6 is empty. I can perform the operation even, odd, odd. Okay, here appear one exception. 7 and 1. Okay, and in this case, this is wrong. Now the next that is 5 to 6. I need check the oldest. Oh, it's wrong. 7 and 1 is 5 and 6. This is an index. 5 and 6. In this case, for example, it's exactly the operation. And you know what? I can add this. Uh-huh. In this case, this range is inside this. Uh-huh. This can be removed. This is wrong, and put the new range. This is this. Now the next that is 2 and 7. Okay, is search if this is inside the range. In this case, is 5 and 6 is inside the range. Yeah, in this moment I know that I don't do perform any another operation. Only I need to start in 6 to 7. 6 to 7 is wrong, and continue. um, 4 to 7. Insert here 4 to 7. This is inside this range. Yeah, in this moment I know that I can remove. Now the next that is 6 to 7 is inside the range. Yeah. Now the maximum is 6. No, the 7 is 7. 7 to 7. In this case is the only one. And for example, if appear here another query that start in 5 to 7, I lose the register. Mm. Mm, I'm not sure. Makes sense, but in one point, I don't know how remove this. Because, for example, if I know that I don't need more the elements that appear here because the minimum star is in this, well, I can remove all of them. But this is sorted by the finish. Okay, if I sort if I sort by the start is and the start and the end, okay, is this, this, uh, this, 4 and 6, 4 and 7, 4 and 7, okay, I can move this, okay, uh-huh, here, uh-huh, in this way. Now, I have the cube here, and 0 and 1, everything is okay. 2 and 5, here and here. Even odd, everything is okay. I can continue. 2 and what is the other? The other is between 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Uh-huh. And the queue is empty. Okay, even odd. Okay, here appear 1, even odd, and odd. No, odd. Uh-huh. Command is the index, not the value. 5 and 6. And now between 6 and 7 is no special because it's odd and odd. 6 and 7, and this is wrong. Got it. Now 3 and 4. 3 and 4. I need to check if the 3 appear here. Appear here. This range is inside this. No. Okay, I can perform this operation. 3 and 4. It's odd and even. Okay, it's okay. I don't add anything. Now 4 and 6. 4 and 6. 4 and 6. 4 and 6. I have one range that is inside this. This should be greater equal that the start, and the n should be minor equal that the n. N. Start. 5 is greater equal 4, and 6 is minor equal 6. Yeah, means that this is inside this range. I know that is wrong. I'm not sure if it's necessary continue with the performance with this operation. I'm sure that is false, but for example, if I only discard, I don't add the register 4 to 5. No, it's only discard. Okay. The next is 4 and 7. 4 and 7. 4 and 7. 5 is greater equal this and 6 is minor equal this. Uh-huh. It's okay, and I'm sure that this is wrong. And I don't add anything here. Now the next that is 5 to 6. 5 is greater equal to, yeah, okay, this is wrong. And I am avoid perform this operation all time here. I am validate here. Okay. Make sense? Okay, it's sort by, I forget, it's sort by the 0, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, the start and the end. Okay, if I sort in the queries, I sort the queries by this. Now here is erase.sort. Let me check. Erase.sort. I'm not sure if it's only enough put at this value of this matrix and sort by these elements. No, come on, matrix. Or I need override the. No, this is an array. Come on. The compare. Okay, I think that is queries, comma, A, B, and now here if I am sorting by the start. If A in the position 0, that is start, it's different to B in the position 0, then return, take it to compare A and B. Other case, return integer this, but okay, this case only happen where both have the same value. For example, 2 and 2, and the idea is compare 5 with 7 and put first the 5. In this case is the letter A. Now is have a queue. I'm not sure if I think that it's a queue because I am adding the queue with linked list, right? I forget the with the and the final. Integer, no, it's not an integer, it's an int q, it's equal new linked list. In the answer integer, it's not integer, it's boolean. Result, it's equal new boolean of the size queries dot length, and I need an index it's equal 0. The index is of the index of the current result. Now the next step is a 4 over the query. Okay, I have the queries, and now I am performing this operation. And this is the nums, only for don't forget the nums. and this is queries. Queries it's equal this. Now, and I have sorted by the start and finish. That is this. The first is take the start, it's equal q in the index 0, and the end. Okay, got it. Now, and obviously here is index plus plus because increase every time. And before to put is result is results. Even I can do this. It's equal. Well, okay, this is a simple flag. I need validate here. Even boolean flag equal row, I think. And only update this flag. Okay, now what is the next? The next is check if the all item in the queue is inside the current range. And the first is while q is empty negative and q dot peak nums in the index 0 should be greater equal that start in nums in the index 1 should be minimum equal n. If happen this at least one time, this is true. Here is if flag false. If flag is true, means that I don't find for example 0 and 2 is empty, is not execute, this is true. Okay, I need to perform the operation. Here is a for between integer I, it's equal to, no, it's not 0, is start and when I it's minor to nth, minor equal, I think, minor equal I plus plus, and I need to validate if boolean first it's equal to start no to nums in the position I. Oh my gosh. Next one, I module of 2 it's equal 0, and it's the same with the second. Plus 1. Module of this, and here is if first is different to second. No, if both are equal, flag it's equal false, but here is q dot add operations. It's add or append. It's the same. Always I forget the function. It's add, I think. Add, new int, and is first and second. No, come on, first and second. I and I plus 1. And this is false. And I think here I can start it's equal n only for complete plus 1. No, n. For complete this 4. And now is the flag here. What? This. Yeah, because any moment I remove the element. Okay, it is cute that remove. And now, if flag is false, means that the while was executed, and I need to perform this operation. But I am doing the operation in both cases. Okay, I have more many times in this problem, but well, I think that it's enough for this session. Thanks for following this transmission, and I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.